A strange craft for a strange voyage. HMAS Labuan is ready to leave Melbourne with a relieving party of 12 scientists who will spend a year on Heard Island, the Australian research station in the sub-Antarctic. Heading south on the 3,700-mile adventure, Labuan's skipper is Lieutenant Commander Dixon. The vehicle deck of the former tank landing craft makes a good gymnasium to keep the personnel fit and active. In the wardroom, the expedition leader, Mr. Philip Law, is already planning. Ki Ui is a Chinese biologist from Perth University. When we sight an iceberg, we know that the Antarctic is really near, although we're only halfway to Heard Island. But now Heard Island itself is looming up, with Big Ben Mountain towering 9,000 feet above sea level. For the newcomers, one of the few sunny days turns on a sightseeing welcome. HMAS Labuan anchors in Atlas Cove, site of the expedition's permanent camp. 12 men can get through a lot of stores in a year, and the first job is to unload 120 tons of food, fuel oil, radio and engine parts. The cargo is ferried to the island by army ducks. The new party will live on this frigid, rocky outpost where the South Pole's nearer than home, and their closest neighbors are some South African meteorologists 1,400 miles to the west. But the local inhabitants always turn on a warm, if inquisitive, welcome, with the invitations reading white tie and tails. A fur seal is another member of the reception committee, and we have no trouble in getting close to a rookery of skua gulls, the scavengers of the island. "12 months reading will soon make a dent in that library. Campbell Drury demonstrates the homemade wireless with which he used to contact Australia. Dr. Gilchrist supervises violet ray treatment, which is compensation for lack of sunlight. Weather expert Ozzie Warden discusses problems with his predecessors. The old instructing the new, but all fully experienced technicians. Engineer Abbott Smith demonstrates the tricks of the diesel engine to newcomer Burton. Similarly, Lem Macy, senior radio man, breaks in successor Ron Oates. Lem's had to repair aerials in raging blizzards. Ron climbs the 70-foot mast to check equipment. Each man is given a thorough schooling in the gear before the new party takes over. Reg Smith gets the gen on the rain recorder from weathermen York and Carroll. Most of the work on Heard Island is checking on the weather. The Antarctic influences Australian temperatures and changes. What is experienced on Heard Island is radioed to Australia several times daily to aid in accurate forecasting on the mainland. Meteorological balloons have to be filled with hydrogen inside a hut, otherwise the high winds destroy them. They carry radioson transmitters, which send out automatic signals of barometric pressure and air temperature. Each radioson is worth 15 pounds, and it doesn't come back. The balloons have to be carefully controlled in takeoff, but once they're clear of the ground, they can climb to 60,000 feet before bursting. Now it's time for the Labuan to leave. An arduous exile is completed and begun. Both parties earn the thanks of the Commonwealth for their scientific work in this remote outpost.